Hey guys, Wealth Mind AI Hub here. Let's get into some stuff. What if I told you that AI is making millionaires overnight? The stock market is no longer just for the elite. Cryptocurrency, trading bots, AI-powered wealth management, this is the future, and it's happening now. The question is, are you in or are you out? You getting left behind? This video is about to change how you think about money forever. Let's dive in. AI is dominating financial markets. Hedge funds, investment firms, and even solo investors are using AI to predict market movements with scary accuracy. Crazy. AI-driven predictive analytics allow traders to make split-second decisions. Automated trading bots are crushing traditional investors. Big banks are integrating AI to outspace human decision-making every single day. With AI, market predictions aren't just based on the past performance. It's continuously adapting, making trading faster and more profitable. This isn't just for Wall Street. It's gonna be for everyone. That's why I say when it's in your pocket, it's changing how you're managing your money. AI-driven tools optimizing personal finance like never before. AI budgeting tools, AI budgeting apps, track your spending, robo-advisors, adjust investments in real time, and then the AI-powered credit monitoring helps you boost your financial health. It's all happening now. These tools don't just track your money, they make your money work for you. It's a crazy aspect, but that's what I'm digging into. Let's get into some crypto. Everybody knows crypto is chaos. Prices move faster than human traders can react, but AI thrives in chaos. AI-powered bots analyze market trends instantly, making precise trades before human investors even blink. Blockchain security is evolving with AI-driven fraud detection. AI is pushing decentralized finance, which you guys know as DeFi, to new heights. It's going places. If you're in crypto and not using AI, you're trading blind. Facts. And with everything good, there's a bad. Let's talk about the dark side. AI is powerful, but unchecked, it can be crazy dangerous. When the AI takes over the trading, it can create massive market swings. Data privacy concerns growing as AI digs deeper. Our financial growth, the algorithmic bias in AI models could mean unfair financial decisions. So, sounds like I need to get in there first. Same with you. We need transparency. AI must be developed responsibly to ensure it remains a tool for wealth, not a weapon for manipulation. AI isn't the future, it's the present. It's already shaping our finances, and those who adapt will thrive. Those who ignore it will be left behind. This is your chance. AI-powered wealth building is here. Stay informed, leverage AI, and take control of your financial future. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to Wealth Mind AI. Drop a comment. How do you see AI shaping your financial future? See you in the next video.